Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a flamethrower out of cardboard. This right here is going to be the first oil tank, or the gasoline tank. This is the middle of the actual cylinder ones. So this is going to be it, and around it is going to be the other ones. Right now I'm letting my hot glue gun warm up, so when it warms up, I'll start. So what I'm doing first is the cylinder in between the gasoline cylinders. So it goes like this, and then I'm gonna do the bigger ones first. I mean the bigger ones last, and then I'm doing the actual backpack for the flamethrower. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet, but I'll figure it out eventually. So what you want to do first is hot glue it so that it looks like a cylinder. So you hot glue that. That's first cylinder. Next to the second cylinder. Just put this to the side. We'll use that later. More cardboard for the next two cylinders. This you gotta pay very close attention to, so you gotta cut it so that it looks like the cylinders. This is really hard to do with this cardboard because it's not the correct cardboard that I usually use, but we're gonna make it work. So after you're done tearing it all, which I'm doing right now, so probably need more cardboard, which I do have in my closet. So don't really need the sides, so this cardboard has sides. We don't really need them. gonna be the first cylinder. Use this side because it's blank. Doesn't matter which side you guys use. This is as easy as possible, I believe, so at least. If you guys want to see more cardboard weapon builds like this one, please press the like. We'll do the detail on like the actual cylinder in another video. So that's for that. So what I was saying was, this is going in between all of them, like that. And then I'll do the actual cylinder in another video. This is only part one, just so you know. So I'm starting the third cylinder right now. There's two cylinders. Where'd the other one go? This is the second cylinder. It's gonna go in between the tanks. It's gonna be like that. So I'm getting ready to do the third cylinder, and in the next video we'll do the rifle, which the handle is right here. I've already worked on it already. It's the handle for the and then for the spray paint, green and black. That's for the colors. that's for those. Cylinder in between it all. Get started on the tops in the next video.